the latest explosion in crypto, decentralized finance, that of course led to yield farming that caused mind-blowing results, and we covered coins on our channel like Balancer, Uniswap and 1inch and all kinds of DeFi projects that during that time treated our portfolios very nicely. But right now the year is 2023 and we're 3 years away from that DeFi summer. So what did we learn and what can we use in order to get some more coins and projects from the new possibly DeFi run? Let's get started with the topic. Alright, now let's get right into this video, and before we start I do want to say that all the links you will need for all the topics we cover in this video will be down in the description, so you can go check them out. The first thing we'll talk about is liquid staking, which is a new thing in DeFi crypto, but it has, since its inception, become huge in the whole crypto and DeFi economy. So to briefly explain what liquid staking is, a good definition is that liquid staking is also known as soft staking, and it's an innovative approach to staking in the world of decentralized finance. And what it basically allows is that, unlike with normal proof of stake, so if you would just stake your coins on an exchange or with a validator, it allows users to stake their coins and still retain the ability to trade them on decentralized exchanges. So now you might say, well, I'm staking the crypto, why would I want a token that has that crypto? I want to stake it and I want to gain rewards on it. But that's the thing, on most liquid staking platforms you can stake the token and gain rewards on that token while you get a replacement token, which basically is proof that you have staked a certain coin, and you can use that proof, for example, to get loans, but also you can trade it away. And once it's traded away, the people that buy it up can then use it on that liquid staking platform and get the rewards from the token. So liquid staking right now is absolutely huge, and not too long ago what happened is this. Liquid staking replaces DeFi lending as the second largest crypto sector. As you can see right here on this small graph, the combined total value locked of liquid staking is now $14 billion. And with that, it is bigger than lending, which was the second biggest in total value locked in the whole DeFi sphere for a very long time. So liquid staking is not only great and innovative, but it's also something you need to know about if you're interested in DeFi. So something else you need to know about in DeFi is Fantom. So for those of you who know Fantom, that might be a little bit weird because you know Fantom as a layer 1 blockchain, but that actually makes a lot of sense, and I'll tell you why. But before that, we need to talk a little bit about what Fantom is. So Fantom is a layer 1 blockchain, right? So just like Ethereum, just like Solana for example, it's a decentralized, permissionless and an open source smart contract platform for decentralized applications and digital assets or NFTs. The Fantom mainnet itself went live in December 2019, and its network architecture intends to provide a viable solution to the blockchain trilemma by providing a steady balance of scalability, security and centralization. Now Fantom is a great blockchain on its own, but it also has some major DeFi aspects. It for example has a feature called liquid staking, and here you can mint SFTM at a 1-to-1 ratio to your staked FTM if you want to stake that, but you also have FUSD, a Fantom based stablecoin to the US dollar, FSwap, a synthetic asset decentralized trading platform, and FLend, which is a liquidity pool from which you can lend or you can borrow your money. And what's perhaps even the most exciting thing is that Fantom has announced that they will focus on DeFi in 2023. And what you can already see about the network of Fantom is that the total value locked has reacted very positively to that. Since the beginning of the year, the volume went from 420 million to a total of almost 600 million at the very top. It has since dropped down a little bit, but it has still increased a lot since the beginning of the year, and this is largely because of their focus on DeFi in 2023. So you need to know about Fantom if you want to know more about DeFi and its trends. Now another amazing project in DeFi we need to talk about is Osmosis. This is a fully customizable cross-chain automatic market maker built on the Cosmos blockchain. So what Osmosis basically is it's an automated market maker that enables cross-chain transactions through inter-blockchain communication. So this gives the Osmosis protocol an added layer of interoperability and composability. Now what makes Osmosis special and also special to DeFi is that it's deeply customizable, and it allows developers of several decentralized applications to leverage many different changeable parameters to build truly unique AMMs that can dynamically fit a variety of outcome goals. So Osmosis therefore is an ideal protocol for developers in DeFi to use, and that's why you need to know about it. And most importantly, you can see some statistics on the inter-blockchain communication and how Osmosis interacts with a lot of decentralized applications every single minute. So Osmosis is not only a great project, it's also growing. So definitely check it out. Now, the last thing I wanted to talk about is a project and DeFi platform called MiniSwap. And MiniSwap is special because it introduces a hybrid model. It's a mixture of trans-fee mining and liquidity mining, and it's an amazing new DeFi platform. So basically, to explain the mechanism and what it does to reward different actors in their ecosystem, is that for each trade with a transaction fee in ETH in MiniSwap, a number of MiniSwap tokens called Mini, worth 2 times the transaction cost, will be minted, and a portion of the tokens are given to the trader and the rest are provided to the liquidity providers. So in this way, both traders and liquidity providers are incentivized to join and participate in the ecosystem. So here you can see their DeFi platform live at work. You can actually check this out right now. Check out the links down in the description again. And right now you can see a lot of pairs which you can add liquidity to, getting you some yield, but they also have amazing volume and a great total value locked. So it's not only a great DeFi platform with some innovative mechanisms, but it's also still fully functional and growing at this very moment. Alright, so with that, we've reached the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed, and subscribe to this channel. Bye.